welcome back to What We Did. We are in Lansing, Iowa at S&S Boat Rentals. Now, we actually just got back. We've been out for 3 nights on the houseboat that is on the far left. These things are awesome. It was a great time, great adventure. Something fun that you can do with family. You know, they'll take you out, or you can drive it yourself, whatever you want to do. It's a blast as far as having a good time, enjoying the river, Mississippi River. This is a small little section of it. This is a pretty cool place. So here, I'm going to walk down there to the boat, walk through it really quick so you can get an idea of what the boat looks like on the inside. There are, you know, when you look at their S&S boat rentals on the website, there's a few different houseboats, 6 of them I believe. 2 of them are exactly the same. The one that we had, and another one is exactly the same. So, and I believe we are in one of the Sharpes. I think it's a Sharpe 1 or Sharpe 2. So we'll go from there. All right, I'll get you down there at the boat.
Liz and Nita went through one last check right before. Yeah.
Give you a little walk down between these two just to give you an idea. So, like I said, the one on the left here is the one we were on, and it is 60 feet long. Hop on just because there's a bunch of people up front. And this back way. Oh, there's Liz. So, bedroom on the left.
That's all there is that one.
Bathroom.
Hanging out in the bathroom?
Yeah, hanging out in the bathroom. It's kind of probably hard to see. Where's the light at in this thing? Oh, yeah, there you go. Shower. Another bathroom. Let's actually have a bedroom down below. A little sink. Let's see, what else we got? Oh, another bedroom. It's up here, little closet, drawer space. Awesome, double refrigerator, runs off propane or gas, or excuse me, propane or electric. Full-size stove. So you got the pantry. Another big bedroom here in the front, down here. This thing's pretty good. Living room area. The downstairs helm.
Pretty sure it's titanium, but okay.
You got the front porch. We'll catch that in a little bit. So let's see. We'll so come back to the back. It's actually pretty cool. You got your slide on the left, spiral staircase here on the right. Let's go upstairs. And this is the place to hang out. Oh my God, the upstairs is amazing. Normally, the furniture, cool furniture, way heavy. You know, it's not going to blow off the boat. We had a pretty good storm last night, so we had to kind of pile it all up. But anyway, this stuff is usually kind of spread out. Put it about anywhere you want out here. It's extremely heavy. Awesome place to kind of entertain and hang out with your friends, family, whatever you want to do here. Got a bar up here in the middle of it. Good high chairs. Fly bridge. It's a great place to drive the boat from, especially when you're out in the channel. Just the views are awesome. You can see all around. Lots of storage space, lots of fun entertainment space. So, oh, another set of stairs. A little bit tight. They're a little steep and a little tight. But it is an awesome way you go down this way. I mean, you can come up this way too, but we found out it's a lot easier to go down one, come up the other, and back. There you go. This is S&S Houseboat Rentals here in Lansing, Iowa. Highly recommended. Very accommodating, very helpful. They're fantastic people. All right, take care. We'll catch you next time. Here's a little fun footage coming off the slide. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's barely. Oh, it goes pretty fast. Oh, it feels great now.